there was a clash, this thing TikTok the ama creatives aseGhana akhala about clubs that ama outlets they are not paying them artists bayakhala. And then I was following their lives and everything. Yeah, can tell you you know them, all of them, you know them. And then Mina, I liked the comment. I'll just say his name, Upek. The reason why I'm saying the owner of PK.
The owner of PK.
Yeah.
Okay.
I liked the way Ingenile Gula live, and then he spoke
for himself.
Okay. And then someone in manager will pick up phone and will tell you, I've got this money, I'm gonna give you this money. My phone, it's fine. Let's say on Sunday, PK is Sunday. Upek is doing, or someone is doing something. Upek already doing staff 7 that Monday to Friday. That staff maybe it's 30 people. Okay. And then there's ama DJs that funeka azi da. Kuloma DJs da, so let's say there are 10 or 15 DJs. There's MCs. Those people, they need to be paid. And then in order for Upeki and Zimali, they need people to be there. Bathenga the alcohol, bathenga those things. In order to pick a kono kupata. And then the moment Upeki wins an event and then there's no people there, abantu beza babancane, and then Upeki une billing ange 50,000, and then